Hello, children. Good morning to all. Today, I will start social study. So, in social study, we will start chapter 7. Today, we will learn about safety rule. So, it's very important to know the safety rules. Staying away from the danger is called safety. It's the state of being safe. So there are many ways in which we can be injured or hurt. If we not careful, we should always try our best to live safely and follow all the safety rules. Okay, children? So, what are the safety rules? The safety rule should be followed at home. At home, at school, on the playground, and in the swimming pool, and on the road. And actually, they should be followed everywhere. Not only road, school, swimming pool, or home. We should follow the safety rule everywhere. So now, let's learn about be safe at home. So now, let's start. We hear the news of accident almost every year. So accident cause harm to life and property. They cause pain and suffering. So we should avoid accident if we follow the rules at home, at school, on the playground and on the road. So if we follow the rules, then we can avoid accident. So now see, a beautiful picture is here. See here, can you recognize what are these? So these are ants. Ants are very good example of a group following rules. So each ant carrying a load and moves in a line. One ant never pushes other or lags behind. So they always follow the rules. So we should also follow the rules. Okay, children? Now look at Sia. She has cut a finger trying to sharpen a pencil with a blade. Is it right to sharpen a pencil using a blade or a knife? You want to sharpen your pencil. So can you tell which of these instruments is the safest to use? So accident happen because of our carelessness and that of other around us. So now we will start safety in the house. Now look at Tanya. She is not doing the right thing. See, someone spilled water on the floor and forgot to wipe it. Look what happened to the person who did not know this. Rahul is trying to take out the toast which is got stuck in the toaster. He is trying to pull it out. What do you think can happen? What should he do first? Now see the nails, the saw and the screwdriver lying on the floor. What might happen if someone if someone stumbles on this. See here, little Priya. See here, little Priya is pulling at her mother's sari while she is cooking. Is it right? What do you think might happen? So safety rule should be followed at home. So here I arises questions. So now we should follow safety rules at home. So now see, never leave objects like nails, scissors, toys or ball lying on the floor. Someone might get hurt or trip on floor. Never handle any electrical instrument which is not working properly without first switching it off. Never go near fire unless there is an adult present. Do not distract your mother or any other person while she or he is cooking. If you had to use a stool to reach a high shelf, see that the stool should be of the right height. It should be strong and sturdy. If water spill on the floor, it should be wiped off immediately to prevent someone from slipping. So now I have discussed about safety rules at home. So we should make our home a safe place. Being aware and alert will go a long way in keeping you safe. So now burns. A fire in kitchen may cause a serious injury or even death. To avoid such accident, we must not wear synthetic clothes in the kitchen. So what type of clothes we should wear? We should wear cotton clothes. Okay, synthetic clothes catch fire easily. Gas stove, when not in use, must be turned off. They must be checked regularly for leakage. So in this way, we can prevent ourselves from burns. Okay. So now electric shocks. So we should not touch any electrical appliances when it is working. So do not go too close to table fans, heaters if they are on. So we should not go very close. We should not put our finger inside the fan if it is on. So do not touch electricals fittings with wet hands. If your hand is wet, then don't try to touch. Otherwise, you may get an electric shock. If someone gets an electric shock or sees a spark, the main switch must be turned off immediately. It must be turned off, or we should remove the plugs. Okay. So now poisoning. Poisoning is also a very dangerous. Accidental consumptions of chemicals and medicines can cause poisoning. Do not take a medicine without asking an adult. So, always ask from your parents or an adult. Okay, if you want to take If you'll take medicines, you'll ask from your parents. Poisonous chemicals should be properly labeled and kept away from eatables. Okay, so now next is be safe at schools. So next day I'll discuss. Till that, thank you.